Hello, welcome to Stella's recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make a black bean sauce noodle. It is called Jjajang in Korean. Actually, this is a Korean-style Chinese food. This food originates from Chinese laborers used to make their food when they live in Korea. In TV program called If It Works in Abroad, 현지에서 먹힐까? It was a huge hit among foreigners. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. Dice up the vegetable first. Cut the onion into half and slice it up. Do the same thing with the potato. When you cut the cabbage, take out the root and chop it up into small pieces. When you cut the ginger, slice it up and shred it into thin slices. Slice the spring onion into half and cut them roughly about 5 cm lengths. Then, cut the pork into bites. Cut the squid into many pieces. I'm not gonna use the leg part of squid at this time. Then, let's fry black bean sauce. Heat the 3 cups of oil in the pan in a medium heat and put 3 spoons of black bean sauce. Stir them until you see the actual hole inside the black bean sauce. Stir them about 2 or 3 minutes. When it is done, leave it on the side until we use it for making sauce. Put 2 spoons of oil in the pan and fry spring onion and ginger for 2 or 3 minutes. Then, put a chopped pork inside the pan. Fry them about 5 minutes. Add 1 spoon of oil and 1.5 spoons of soy sauce inside. Put a chopped cabbage and potato inside the pan and stir them together for 5 minutes. Then add a chopped onion inside and stir them all together. Fry them about 3 minutes. Put 1 spoon of oyster sauce and 1 spoon of yellow bean sauce. Stir them together for 5 minutes. Add a shrimp and squid. Fry them about 3 more minutes. Put 2 spoons of sugar inside and fry them about 3 minutes. Add fried black bean sauce into pan and stir them about 1 minute. Repeat this process 2 more times. Put 1 spoon of oil inside. Put 1 spoon of starch into a cup of water and put them into sauce that we made. Stir them together about 2 more minutes. When sauce is ready, it is almost done. Boil the water and put noodles. Actually, there are noodles for Jjajang on the web, so I bought it for myself. Make sure noodles are transparent and wash them with running water. Slice the cucumber and shred them into pieces. Cucumber will be used as a garnish. Ta-da! Jjajangmyeon is so ready. So if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.